How to delete avatar on Messenger. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can delete your avatar on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Messenger application on your device and tap on this menu icon right here once you're logged in. Now here, tap on settings. Now scroll down, you will see avatar right here, tap on it. As you can see, your avatar is this. Now let's say you don't want it or you don't like it, you can just tap on avatar settings to edit it. Like you can just tap on only me so that only you can see your avatar. Now if you tap on everyone can view your avatar. So let me just tap on only me so that no one views it right now, and tap on its avatar. Now let's say you don't want to keep it. Now you can just tap on this tree and tap on delete avatar. Tap on delete again, and just like that your avatar will be deleted. And that's it. This is how easy it is to delete avatar on Messenger. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.